Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am working with another wig, of course, and we are working with Luvme. This is their 13x4 24-inch HD lace frontal deep wave wig, and it's so freaking pretty. And let me show y'all what a real HD lace looks like. Like, it's gonna ruffle at the ends just like this, so that's how you know it's real quality HD lace.
Trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking.
So I'm just gonna get into a little bit more of the specs on this wig. So it was pre-bleached when I got it. The knots are super duper small, so they're really easy to bleach. I went in with a little bit of 30 volume developer and bleached to make sure I could get it a little bit, and I only left it on for 15 minutes since the knots were already processed. But right here I'm just doing a traditional like wig install. It's nothing really different from what I normally do with my tutorials. So if you're a beginner with wig installs, I always do the like 3-part cut method so you can lay your wig down in sections. I don't do this anymore only because I've gotten a little bit more experience with laying wigs, but honestly I find myself going back to just laying my wigs like this because I know it's going to be secure, and it's easier to lay down a piece of lace than a whole lace. So yeah, and I'm not gonna lie, I attempted to do the widow's peak look, and I think next time what I'm going to do is make a deeper triangle so I can have that look. I'm not going to do a really deep one because I don't naturally have a widow's peak, so I want to make sure my wigs look natural. But as you can see, I tried outlining a little widow's peak, a little small one. It was so small to the point when I cut the lace off, like the widow's peak wasn't even there. But I would do it deeper next time if you were wanting to do a widow's peak. But anyways, I'm laying the glue and I'm doing like... This was my birthday hair, by the way. So I laid about 4 to 5 layers so my wig could stay, because I was going to Miami. I was going to be near water and it was going to be very humid. So I wanted to make sure my wig stayed down. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not feeling bold hold anymore. Like, it's definitely not the same quality it used to be back in the day. So if you have any recommendations on hair glue that you guys like, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm trying to switch up my glue. I mean, it's good and it works, it does its job, but it's definitely not how it used to be back in the day. I know the Erica J glue is really good. I want to try that one, but let me know any other glue you guys find that works for you.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help.
So as you can see, when you get ready to lay your lace down, make sure you put your lace a little bit over the glue. I promise it's going to save so much time later on, so you don't have to go back in with alcohol and clean extra glue that wasn't adhered to the lace or the hair very well, if that makes sense. Let me know if that makes sense, y'all. But yeah, just lay it a little bit over the glue, not too far, because you don't want to cut too much hair out of the wig, because then you will have to go back in and plug. But make sure it's adhered and put a little bit of heat to it. I'm using my Silverbird blow dryer, and I'm using it on medium heat, high speed, and then I'm hitting it a little bit more with like a hot comb. So yeah. And y'all, all the products that I use will be in the Amazon store in future days. Like, I'm working on it. It's going to be here 2024. We moving up. And I'm also going to set my wig with a band as well. And then I'm going to cut off the lace. So as you guys can see, I have pieces of lace that didn't glue down all the way, but that is completely fine, because after I'm done trimming off the lace, we can go in with a little bit of glue and lay it down. It's better to have less than too much, because you can always go back and add. It's harder to take away. So just remember that when you're installing your units, it's okay to glue down pieces. So I'm going to finish it off by putting a little bit more makeup on the lighter parts of the wig and spraying it with the Pump It Up spritz spray. And when you guys are using the spritz spray, please do not use too much. You only need a dab of it along the edges of your wig. If you apply too much, it can cause your wig to look cakey and unnatural. So you want to make sure you're just pressing it. I did go in with a little bit more light mist to just set it a little bit more because it just needed it, honestly. But I didn't do too much, and I always blow dry it before I put my band on, because when you put the band on when it's still damp, it creates a white cast, and I hate that. So blow dry it, get it 80% of the way dry. Excuse me? Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah. Period. Like. Are you serious right now? Like, girl. Child, let's get this style done because I'm excited. That's my reaction when I know my lace and my wig look good. Period. Any and every time. But yeah, y'all, I chose to do a half up, half down style, and I kind of went in between, like maybe I should push it all back, or maybe I should do like a little triangle thing and do that. But you guys will see in the video what I decided to do. I did decide to add a little bit of baby hairs to make the wig look a little bit more natural. But yeah, I literally just took a wax stick to mold the part and to get my half up, half down type of style. And as you can see here, I laid my baby hairs, and I'm pulling out little pieces in the front to give it a little look. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for tuning into my videos, and I appreciate everybody that has watched me this year. I don't know if this will be the last video I post in 2024, but I do have other videos coming out, and I'm so grateful for all of you, and I am so excited to continue my journey on YouTube next year. We got so far. Thank you so much. So I went in to define the curls just a little bit. I wasn't looking for a super duper defined look, but I went in with a leave-in conditioner from Design Essentials. You can get this from any beauty supply store. It's the bamboo silk one, and then some mousse, honestly, just a little bit of mousse and water, and literally that's what I did for this hair, you guys. It was super duper soft, easy to work with, and I loved it so much. This was like my favorite curly unit I have received this year. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. All of my socials are listed below in my description box, so follow me on everything and keep liking and keep supporting so I can keep posting videos for y'all.